How to use Western Union Visa card. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Western Union Visa card. So let's get started. So there are two ways to add it. One is by adding it into your wallet application, or you can use it directly from the Western Union application. So first of all, you're going to head over to app library and type in wallet. You can click on wallet over here, click on this plus icon and simply type down your card number. And also you can upload pictures of your front side and back side of the card. So once done, you can simply use your Western Union Visa card through the application of wallet. And the next way is that you can head over to Western Union application, click on track over here, and you can select whether you're a receiver or a sender. In our case, we will select sender and click on track a transfer without MTCN. And here you're going to type in the amount that you wish to send. And then once you add the amount, they will ask you to add the Western Union Visa card or any of the debit card number. You can type in the card number, the expiry date, also CVV, and then that card will be selected in your application. And as you make future transaction as well, they will use that Western Union Visa card. So that is basically how you can use Western Union Visa card. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.